Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're at Wesley Chapel and we're starting this 3-car garage with an optional baseboard finish. So this floor they left kind of rough, so I'm hoping it's going to cut real easy. We'll find out in a few minutes. So we are going to do the baseboard finish. We're going to grab this. I kind of like when the back stem wall wraps around. It's just a nicer look. And we're going to run that down. We're going to fill these cut lines. That's going to give us a seamless surface. Over here, the finish on the floor looks different than the 2-car. We'll find out what's going on about that later. So we're going to fairly square. Well, we're going to round them over. There's a little dip here. So all not too bad, but you never know until you start cutting. So we're going to start in just a few minutes. So we'll check back in with our progress. Okay, our grinding, prep, and repairs are done. There's a lot of grinding on this floor. It was besides the cap, they had added something to it. I don't know why, but they did. As you saw in the previous segments, it was really rough. And these sections here was kind of like an L through here. Add that there, so we did grind that all off. That took a minute. It ground, it was just a lot of it. But you can see we have some really good looking concrete here now. This is definitely ground well. And here you can take a look at that profile. And that's what we're looking for. Rough with a lot of dimples in it, because that epoxy is going to get all down into those dimples. Really give us good adhesion. But anyway, love bugs. So we're all ready to do this floor. And this color is Stonewash. So let's get this floor in. Okay, here we are. We're all finished up with our 3-car garage with optional baseboards. As you saw in the previous segments, there was a lot of coating, a lot of cap to remove. For some reason or another, the builder put another layer on top of this floor that we did grind off. So you can see how nice the baseboards finish things in. I always recommend it to people to get it, but it is an option. So we did a full diamond grinding, small repairs. We filled the cut lines, that's why we have a seamless surface, which I think is a better look on the whole. That's just included in the surface. We just finished putting the polyaspartic top coat on. So I'm going to show this color in and out of the light. This color is Stonewash. Now there are some love bugs, but we're just on the surface. They'll just come right off. You're better off not fooling around with them. They'll just scratch off later. Nothing we can do about it. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.